Crows are astounding animals. Crows are extremely intelligent and the most astounding birds, possibly smarter than parrots. Crows mimic sounds. Like parrots, crows imitate various sounds they hear, including human speech. Crows can talk. Crows plan for the future. Crows save tools for later use, indicating the astounding concept of future needs. Crows work in groups. Crows work together to achieve goals, like finding food or defending against predators. Crows recognize symbols. Crows associate symbols with various rewards, demonstrating an astounding form of abstract thinking. Crows play for fun. Young crows play games and engage in aerial acrobatics for no apparent reason other than enjoyment. If you were an astounding crow, wouldn't you also be an aerial acrobat?